Hey YouTube, so as my regular viewers know, I recently got my wood-mizer LT15 onto a $20 trailer. Big problem, it's stuck in the mud. So watch this video and see how I got it out. These videos are for entertainment purposes only. So no, unfortunately, I was not able to get the trailer unstuck out of the mud. I have to try another option. Back to the drawing board and stay tuned for an upcoming video. The winch was working, but there's a good chance it was gonna break, so I didn't want to push it. But I've got an idea that a fellow YouTuber showed me in a video, and I'm gonna see if it works. All right, stay tuned. Hey guys, if you enjoyed this video and other videos on the channel, there are 3 things that you can do to really help me out. Number 1 is to hit the thumbs up, the like button below. Number 2 is to comment, and number 3 is to subscribe. Thank you.